Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Safari and switching to private quickly. This prevents new browsing from saving history. Tap the tab icon to view tabs, then choose private at the bottom left. Once done, tap the plus button to open a new private tab and verify the darker background and the private label. Make sure to close any non-private tabs you don't want linked. You're now in a session that won't store search or page history. Cookies persist only for this session. Next, manage how private browsing behaves because privacy requires choices. You can close individual private tabs or tap close all to end the entire private session immediately. Make sure to review Safari settings. Enable block all cookies only if it won't break the sites you need, and toggle prevent cross-site tracking for better isolation. Once done, consider adding a content blocker or using a different browser app for compartmentalization. This reduces tracking across sessions and sites. To finish, close private tabs or switch back to regular tabs so Safari resumes normal history behavior. If you notice pages still reloading or targeted content afterward, clear Safari website data in settings and restart the phone. This removes lingering cookies and caches. Make sure iCloud Safari Sync isn't reintroducing data. If it is, sign out of iCloud temporarily to isolate the device. If problems persist, reboot and repeat. This sequence eliminates most syncing or cache-related issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.